Hey there, welcome to Math Time with Ms. B. This is where I show you examples of concepts, break them down, and help you see that math isn't such a scary monster. I post a problem a day, so like and follow, and keep coming back to see what's going on. Remember to leave a comment below if you have a specific question you want broken down, or you want to see more examples of this kind of problem. Today we're looking at an example of simplifying a rational expression. Okay, rational just means fraction. All right, remember that I will always have the steps over here on the right, and I will number them as I do the math on the left. Okay, so we're going to zoom in here and take a look at what we got. We have x squared plus 7x over x squared, okay? And we are going to simplify this expression. That means we're going to factor things out that we can and cancel some things, okay? So the first step is we are going to factor the numerator alone, okay? So I'm going to take a look at x squared plus 7x. X squared plus 7x. Okay, so this is what we have. And you want to ask, what's the biggest thing I can take out of both? Okay, so when I do that, I'm going to move this up here just a little bit. I see that there is an x in both. Okay, so I'm going to take an x out. Remember, when you're taking something out of an expression, you are going to divide. You're undoing the distributive property. So I'm going to take an x out of this piece and an x out of this piece, okay? So when I divide, x squared divided by x means the x on the bottom goes away, and the x on the top, we just lose one of them, okay? You're subtracting your exponents, so it'd be 2 minus 1, okay? So now I just have an x over here. And then if I'm dividing 7x by x, my x's just cancel out because x divided by x is 1. Anything divided by itself is 1. Okay? So that means I just have plus a 7. Okay? So this is my new numerator. Okay? So there's this is step 1. Okay? Come over here. And x squared, this is my denominator. X squared, there's really no way to break it down. If you want to break it down to help you, you can do x times x. That's another way of writing it if that helps you. But there's really no way to break it down other than that. Okay, so this would be our step 2. Sometimes you'll be able to break things down, sometimes you won't. For step 3, we're going to put it all together. So I have my new numerator, that's x times x plus 7 over, and I'll go ahead and leave it broken apart, x times x. There's my denominator, okay? So what we're going to do here is we're going to cross out, cancel out the things that we can, okay? So I have an x in common right here between my numerator and denominator. Those go away. X over x is just 1. You're left with the other x in the denominator and the x plus 7. So my ending answer is x plus 7 over x. There's my ending factor. Okay, my ending factored expression. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. And let me know if you'd like to see any more of this type. Comment below if you have a specific question you want shown. And I will see you guys on a future video. Remember, you got this.